Hi guys, it's me, Chloe. Happy Star Wars Day, nerds! How are you guys doing? It's Grogu. I thought I'd have some extra company out here today. So, how are you guys all doing? Hey Beans, hey Blue, hey Mr. Magic Carp, hey Sazzles, hey Derp, hey Shax. I'm just gonna say hi. Hi everyone. Hi, I think I saw Danny in there somewhere. How you guys doing? I forgot it's Star Wars. It is. It's Star Wars Day. He does make noises. That's not even coming through the mic. He doesn't make other noises. He's got two buttons in his hands. One plays the theme tune, one plays baby noises, and it doesn't work. So I've got bought a new one to replace it, but I just haven't done it. So what do you mean, JC? Get out. We love Grogu in here. He's the best. I love him. I'm going to time you out for lying. Oh my god. I can't play CFE. Why? I'm killing ocean crawlers and crying about owls. You know the normal. I was playing Avatar yesterday. I cried at that. Yep. Anyway. Sounds like he's growling. Probably. We got Mando Bear as well. Mate, I love my Builder Bears. Yeah, I'll grab Mando Bear. He's kind of cool, but, like, it's kind of average. He's cool, though. He's not even picking it up on the mic. That's so weird. It's a good job I put one on throne then. Haha! Can you paint it to look like an Oompa Loompa? Absolutely not. Don't be mean to Grogu, JC. I love Grogu. See, I got some a t-shirt. Latest patch has broken the game on Steam Deck. Seriously, Blue? Was that the hotfix the other day? My son has a Grogu hot water boat. Oh my god! I got so many Grogu plushies. I just keep. Every time I see him, I just go, "It's your baby." Mike wouldn't matter. It'd be down to the. Oh yeah, I was trying to put it because it's there, because the green light's there, but it wasn't picking it up. What's that, JC? I can't get past the title screen. Oh, I've never used. I didn't even know it was broken on Steam Deck. Have you looked up to see if anybody else is having any problems, Blue? Morning, Spike. Wee woo. I hope you guys are all doing well today. Mate, I'm gonna get these finished because these are winding me up. These frogs. I'm not even joking. I did a little bit on them yesterday, so I painted all the handles. So I literally just need to detail it, and then we'll pretty much be done with it because it's annoying me. So yeah, I need to get them finished. Need to turn down the sensitivity. Fair, Danny. It's fine. It's fine. Sassy! Thank you so much for the likes, Sassy. I love your face. Don't get eaten by a T-Rex. Happy Star Wars Day! It picks up background. Yeah, exactly. Which we don't want. Nobody has said anything. I've put a ticket in. Damn. I hope they get back to you soon, Blue.
They still haven't got back to me about
they haven't got back to Amy about the trophies on PlayStation because she didn't get them all, so... the mic would read that as background sound, so okay, yeah, I get you, Danny, I get you. Well, you know, we were talking about mics and stuff the other day. I did actually put them on Throne. I can't afford to get them myself at the moment, because, well, I didn't have the scan yesterday because we tried to call them up and they were like, well, the guy that does the scans is only until 2 on a Friday and he hasn't given us their schedule for May. And I'm like, so you don't even know what appointments he's got next week. And they were supposed to call us back and they didn't. So... So I don't know. I'll probably have to pop in there next week and see if I can book an appointment. Stupid. But then, you know, this week's been a bit crazy anyway, so... Don't want to do that! About to be her Tringo Toes! I mean, I'm mowing my front lawn and it's long, so there may be a T-Rex in there. Sassy, don't get eaten! Be careful, Sassy! You have to be careful of the tall grass. There's raptors in there. Twinkle Toes doesn't need them, the nerd. Doesn't need what? I kind of actually missed what everybody was saying. Oh, what? You mean the trophies? What, for PlayStation? She does. She's a trophy nut. Achievement hunter. My hair is tickling my nose today. Get out my nose! Get out my nose. Get off my nose. It's really itchy. Achievement hunter. That's it. That's it. Be careful out there, sassy. Yeah, no, so the mic and the camera are...
On phone.
No, what's that word?
Repeat.
They're on phone. Amy's telling me what to say because I can't think of words right now.
They've got the thing where you contribute.
The thing... Contribute! That's the word! You can contribute towards it. That's it. My brain's fried.
What would you do without me?
What would I do without Amy? Spin around in a circle going... Happy May 4th! Woo woo! Hey Harry, how you doing? Happy Star Wars Day! Put a bit of black on there. Need my tiny paintbrushes because I'm going to do the eyes on the froggies. I'm going to use my tiny paintbrush. Hope you guys are having a good day though. If I just... Oh, that's alright, I can do that. I don't want any distractions. I want to get these stupid frogs finished. They're taking me ages. I mean, I know there's like 9 of them. What?
Grab the Sour Patch Kids.
Oh! Oh, I've just realised something. I need to add it in as a timer, Danny. So I got Blue Viper's package on Friday, which was the one I've been waiting for since January. And it came with a massive bag of Sour Patch Kids. And I hate sour sweets, okay? And apparently they're really sour. I've not had one yet. And I was thinking, what about if we get, like, gifted 5 subs, then I'll eat a sour sweet? You know, like how some of you guys do the Bean Boozled? Like, you get gifted subs and you do the beans. Well, I was thinking about doing it with the sour sweets. Because if I eat Bean Boozled, I'll end up getting sick. I don't like them. Sour Patch Kids are not sour. Well, I don't know. Amy, did you try one?
Yeah.
Were they sour?
Yeah.
She said they were.
Yeah.
They're not sour at all. Well, I don't like sour.
Yeah, but they're sour to you.
They're sour to me. I don't like sour. So, I've got to go and grab them. But I was thinking about adding that on. So, Danny, if we get gifted like 5 subs, then I'll eat a Sour Patch Kid.
Why do you need a timer?
I don't need a timer.
You said you needed a timer.
No, I
No,
didn't.
Danny, we need a timer.
Oh no, a Stream Elements timer, so it pops up in chat every now and then. It's like gift 5 subs and then Chloe will eat a Sour Patch Kid. I don't know. I'm
That
useless.
sounds really bad. Eat a Sour Patch Kid. Sounds like you're eating a child.
Eating a child. Lol. They're not sour. They are delicious. I've not had one. I kind of just want to eat one in a minute. I'll go and get them in a minute. I hate sour. I pull the funniest faces. They are nothing. I pull the funniest faces. Would you mind grabbing them? You guys are all like, they're nothing, but to me, they're going to be the worst things ever. Toxic waste, I've had them once. No. I can't buy them here anyway. Actually, right. I actually bought some sweets here that said they were sour. They were just covered in sugar. If you aren't used to them, but they are far from bad. They're probably not that bad. I should do it. I should try and get some See, the thing is, I can't even get anything here. I tried it before.
Like, we bought some sour Haribo and it was sugar.
No, they don't know. They don't even do sour Haribo here.
I think Spanish don't do sour sweets.
I don't think Spanish do sour.
So I think that's probably why they're not a thing.
That's probably why I don't see them. It's freaking annoying. Because I did it once when I did Stream Loots, where I had to eat sour sweets. No, I might have had them when I was in school, Danny, but I don't remember. But no, they don't really sell sour sweets here. I've looked. Because I did it for Stream Loots once, where I went looking for sour sweets and I just couldn't find any. Mate, do you remember Juicy Drop? Where it was the lolly and the juice was sour. Mate, I hated that. I mean, I like the lolly, but I hated the stuff. That stuff was sour. They... Are they the Tang Fastics? They definitely don't sell them here. They sell them covered in sugar, but they're not sour at all. Do you? Alright, fine. Amy's gone to grab them. Amy's gone to grab them. It's a big old bag. Let me just paint another eye. My mum said they were really sour because she ate one. You ever had warheads? No. Yes! They weren't sour. We've had warhead sweets before because I think I ordered them from the shop in Gran Canaria and they weren't sour. Oh my god. I'm gonna go. Should I go for a green one? Me drinking that as liquid as a kid? Oh my god. The most sour sweet by far. The blue are the best ones. Oh, I'll have a blue one then. I don't like them! My eyes watering. I've never been so. I've got such a weak tolerance to sour.
Yeah, but some people do though, don't they? And that's fair.
They're alright once you get past that initial sour bit. Yeah, it's not too bad. I swear to you, that wasn't even put on. Alright, that wasn't put on. That was all legit. That made my eye water.
To be fair though, some people have a weak, strong tolerance.
Some people have a strong tolerance to spicy and sour stuff. I do not. I don't like it. Alright?
There's probably people out there that can't stand vinegar because it's too sour.
Yeah, like vinegar. Some people might not like that. You can never have too many sour. I'm bringing a Black Death. Oh, dear God. Oh, my God. If I could get some proper sour sweets, you know, like Toxic Waste, I'd sit and eat them. On stream. So, like, because I can't do the Bean Boozled and I don't like spicy stuff. I would probably die if I ate a Toxic Waste. Yeah, you don't, but I probably would. I would probably die. Do they sell them in that sweet shop?
I think they might do Toxic Waste, but I'm not sure.
They might sell them in the sweet shop, in the shopping centre in Open Mall. I know they sell the Bean Boozled in there, but they're like €6. They're really expensive for like a small box.
I do think you should get some Toxic Waste though, because I think I can just imagine you putting your mouth and spitting it.
I'll put the Toxic Waste in my mouth, just spit it out and scream.
Yeah, I've seen somebody have one before and she put it in her mouth and her mouth went...
Yeah, that's what I would do. Oh my god, Danny, you gotta get me some so I can eat them on stream.
I have to see if they do them in that shop.
They're alright once you get past the sour, they're not too bad. I would savour them. I want to see if I can get some sour sweets then.
If nobody eats them, we can always bring them out first and share them out for people. Not gonna eat them.
Blue one's not too bad.
I don't really like it when I eat it.
Is my tongue blue? Ah!
I had a strawberry one yesterday. I don't like them.
They're alright.
There's a bit of sweet.
Remind me to go to Mr. Sims. Oh, I love that shop. What the heck is a zombie? I don't really know. You know what, Blue? I'm good. Have another one? Alright. Alright. Thank you, Shax.
Maybe you just put 5 in your mouth.
Should I put 5 in my mouth? Now you done it. Would probably lick a Black Death, never touch it again. Absolutely. I would just. Oh. Alright, hold on then. Let me finish this one. Double day it, or I'll grab 5. I can grab 5. No, I'll grab another red one. Sour Patch Cookies? Alright. A pure citric acid. Oh my god. Right, you've seen I've got 5, okay? I'm just gonna laugh.
You're right there.
No. I want to spit him out. Oh my god. It's burning my tongue. It's not. Oh my god. Why do I make my eyes water?
I think we'll get you some toxic waste just as a bit of a joke.
That's alright, now the sour's gone, it's not too bad. It starts drooling. I know, I feel like it. Alright, now the sour's gone, it's not too bad. That she considers to be very sour. Thank you, Danny. When I eat something sour, my cheeks tingle. I get like weird pain there, and it like hurts, and it's just like ah. So it is a timer and a command. Thank you, Danny. I'll try and get some more sour sweets when I'm out. I'll see if I can find some toxic waste.
You know if Ramadan are heading up there today? I don't think they are.
No, I don't think they are. I'm gonna end up feeling sick, aren't I? Thank you, Shax. Thing is, I think the more I'm gonna eat, the more I'm gonna get used to them. I think. Hey, Pixie Doll, how you doing?
That's fine. They'll do for now, and then we can try. And
I'll see if I can get some more. But I don't think Spanish do sour. I think I did order some more heads once. They weren't sour at all.
We bought them for the Lutathon or Streamathon.
I bought them for like a Lutathon.
And
they just weren't sour.
Nothing we bought was sour. It's ridiculous.
It's going good. How you doing, Pixie? Eating toxic waste without flinching. Yeah, the more I eat it, and then I'll just get sick. You might get used to them, but there are many different things you can get. Even yeah. Hey, Pixie. How goes? Yeah, I'm painting their eyes on today. Might take a couple of years, probably. Good, inspired to get sour sweets now. Why does everyone like sour sweets but me? Oi, oi, Savaloy, how you doing, Dave? Oh, now I want fish and chips.
What are we talking about? Where's the conversation gone on to fish and chips?
Because Dave said oi, oi, Savaloy.
Oh.
And now I want fish and chips. Sour sweets are gross. Yeah, it's a good job I have a whole bag of Sour Patch Kids. I don't like them. I don't like them, Pixie. No, and it's looking so good. There's 8. I've got 9 of them to paint, and then the big boy. We got the big one as well. They're nearly done. I love them, but they're usually disappointing in their sourness. They're sour to me. I don't like them. Just to waste them. Even on May 4th. Happy Star Wars Day, nerds! Like, really spicy / hot. Not enjoy. I don't like spicy food at all. What are they made out of? They're resin printed. So, resin, plastic, I guess. My army of Grogu's wish me... Yeah, look. I got Grogu with us today. And Mando Bear. I also have an army of Grogu's. I love Grogu. I should show you, Pixie, shouldn't I? We can compare Grogu armies. They get all stuck in your teeth.
Because they're like gummies, aren't they?
They are like gummies. I'm a plain love. Same, Shaq. Same. A 3D printer. Yes, I've got 2 resin. I think if you type in !printer, it might tell you. I can't remember. I know I